9 years in the baking. Na? Kini nga tong paggani adinhi siyam ni katupik gigama. Ha? Ni Alex o ni Desiree.
My short for my love, my happiness, my everything, my Desiree Michelle Lungay, now Doydora. It was 2015, but it feels like yesterday. In a matter of almost 10 years, we have made great memories and hurdled multiple challenges together. I can't thank God enough for giving me such a gorgeous and beautiful woman in my life, and I feel so fulfilled to be married with her today.
Wonderful and bountiful marriage with God, of course, at the center of your life. Ang pray nga always, Alex will be your forever.
Marriage is a chapter I never thought I could enter. A chapter that is not for me. Oldest of 7 siblings and a single mom. My life as a realized Disney princess. 9 years of being together is not perfect, it's nothing easy. But everything challenge unfold the men that I have prayed for.
Desiree Michelle, ako naghahatag kanimo niining mga aras pasalig sa akong paghalad sa tibuok na akong kaugalingon alang sa imong kayuhan.
Akong dawaton.
Open your eyes to golden light. There's a world of wonder painted in the sky. What a beautiful
Desiree kini si Alex nga niya kami nawaton ba nimo siya nga imong bana sumala sa nagda sa atong inahan Santa Iglesia.
Oh, Padre, akong dawaton.
Sure na jud ni.
Sure.
It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Good luck on your journey, Gaw, and best wishes to you and to your wife.
Wow, salamat. Salamat.
Abas nung dati man nung tuwa kay
Ay, matik.
malipay po ba? Talasaon na rin sa itong salamat sa itong
Salamat sa inyong time.
So much to be found. Watch the world spin round. It's just the beginning.
vow to be your best friend as we create a life together. I vow to hold your hand as a promise to hold mine. I vow to be with you, to take life with different ways and surprises. And I promise to choose you in all this time. I love you, Mai.
Desiree, Lex, when we desire the worldly things, put God those things that will make those things more beautiful. Kung way Ginoo, way kahulugan. Ni amo dinhi tungod sa gugma. And God is love. Alex, ini si Desiree nga niya niya waton ba nimo siya? Ay mong asawa sumala sa lagda sa atong inahansan ta iglesia.
O padre, akong dawaton.
Kausa atong sigon ang matagusa Yoriwet sa masibang panagpakan.
It's just the beginning.
It always make you feel safe. I am so honored to walk life through with you, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. I love you and will continue to choose you even in the next life.